Welcome back. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, December 4th, 2020. I'm going to go over some plays I made during the week and some earnings plays I have coming up for Monday. So this is Rich for Purpose. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. We are on a journey to get rich and find our purpose. We invite like-minded people to do the same thing with us. So here we go. Toll Brothers. I got two puts, 45.50. I spent $130 for each of them. Right now they're up $40, but I'm gonna hold them. I think that they're gonna drop on earnings. The reason is because I know that interest rates are quite low right now, so home builders and the home industry is doing pretty good because of that. However, I think that they priced in and they're expecting to kill it. I don't think they're going to be able to give good guidance during all this because of COVID and everything. So I bought 45.50 puts because I think they could drop down to like 41, 40-ish. But to play it safe, I went to 45.50. And yeah, I just don't think that they're going to absolutely kill it. And if they do, then whatever. It's all good. But right now, that's my play for Toll Brothers, 245.50 puts. So yesterday, right at close, I bought a $11.50 call just in case they did pop. My thesis on this was I literally flipped a coin. Heads was calls, tails was puts. It said heads. I bought some calls, and boom, they killed it on earnings. They went up to 13 something a day. I got plenty of time on this. I got till December 31st. So this one, I have a feeling is going to be pretty good. Once it doubles up, I'll make it free. Hold the other one to expiration, either exercise or sell. So this Apple play, I know I talked a lot about this and gave updates on it and stuff like that. Basically, I sold out of my last call today, 1 minute before close. So I sold it for $5.25 at right at $3.59 today. So I got just a recap. I bought two of those around $125. I spent $250. Sold one at $400, one at $525, and that was that Apple play. So the other one I got is Moderna for next week. I got a $15 credit spread. I spent $225 right now. I'm up a little bit on it. I thought I was down on this one, but I'm up a little bit on it. Basically, I think that with the Pfizer news being pretty bad yesterday, knowing that they had to cut half their vaccine supply, Moderna started moving on it, so I bought a $15 credit spread. And I think this one's gonna do. I mean, we'll see what happens. It expires next week, but basically, my best hopes would be to close above 170. That'll be $1,500 max profit, and I'm gonna hold that one to expiration, see what happens. And then I also got an Amazon today. So this one expires next week. It's 3,250, 3,260, a $10 spread, $1,000 max gain. I spent $214. I'm down $24 on the position today. If Amazon comes back and closes above 260, I'll get $1,000 for that contract. So those are my really a pretty slow week, pretty uneventful week. Those were my plays. If anything else comes up, I will post it in another video. Until then, thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekends, and I'll see you for Happy Monday.